Hello friends, good morning. As you know, Oracle Cloud recently introduced dark mode. So today I will show you how to enable this dark mode in your OCI console. So now I logged into my OCI console and here you can see one banner introducing dark mode. So I need to go to settings. So in the settings here you can see color theme. So I can choose either light mode or dark mode or match your operating system. So I am going to enable the dark mode settings. Just hit save. You can see the dark mode is enabled. So in case if you don't see this option, you can go here, console settings. You have the option to choose dark mode or you can revert it back. I hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching.